Due to the increasing environmental pollution, it is urgent to promote the use of new energy. Countries around the world, especially in developed countries, have invested heavily in research and development, production and promotion of new energy. Dongjin Group has never ceased to keep pace with the times and vigorously develops new energy industry on the basis of solid development of traditional industries. In order to build the world's largest new energy industry base, Dongjin Group has formulated a new marketing strategy transformation plan in 2016, which insists on the policy of second-hand arrest. We are committed to re-establishing the domestic market share, establishing a first-class domestic sales team, and increasing the quality control and technology research and development of our products to our domestic customers. Grasping the steady development of the international market, in Bangladesh, companies to invest more than 300 million, launched in Bangladesh's biggest battery production base, staff more than 1,000 people. The first phase of the factory building area of 70,000 square meters. In the end of March 2017, formally put into production. The second phase of planning covers an area of about 90,000 square meters. The Dongjin Group company with Bangladesh Dongjin Electric Company, such as the Dongjin Industrial Park branch, from now on, Dongjin and the local strong brand will reign.
At the same time, Dongjin Group invested in the instruction of a production base with a planned area of 80,000 square meters in India. In December 2018, Dongjin Group officially put into production. The Philippines, Brazil, and other places invested in the construction of a production base with a planned area of 100,000 square meters. Among them, the Philippines officially put into production in January 2019, and Brazil officially put into production in March 2019.
Create high-quality brand, cast first-class image. Jiangxi Dongjin New Energy Technology Company Limited was established in 1993. Is a comprehensive industrial company integrating R&D, production and sales services. Independent research and development production of electric vehicle batteries, electric tricycle batteries, dry batteries, electric car batteries, maintenance-free valve-regulated lead-acid batteries, UPS solar battery have passed CE/UL ISO 9001 international certification and the Ministry of International Industry Design Network Access License. In 2012, Dongjin invested nearly 500 million invest and construct Jiangxi Dongjin New Energy Technology Company Limited at Jiangxi Xingan, which covers an area of 230,000 square meters, and solved the problem of labor employment more than 1,000 people. In the following years, the company is committed to differentiated development strategy, focusing on international market, global positioning, and building first-class international brand. Its leading brand, Dongjin Changsha Wang, sells to more than 50 countries and regions, including Europe, North America, South America, Asia, the Middle East and South Africa, Israel, Afghanistan, Syria, Lebanon, etc. Dongjin brand battery has become its local dominant brand, occupying an absolute market share. In the South Asian market, the best brand image is formed. For these 2 decades, Dongjin also went through prosperous and depressed period, but the company principle of provide the superior battery to customer for enjoy the benefit and offer the best service to make clients satisfactory has been always unchanged. To create the best products and services based on technology, the company adopts the International Advanced Production Equipment and Inspection Method, effectively guarantees the product quality. Dongjin battery with high capacity, small volume, lightweight, long life, high performance wins the recognition and trust of the majority of customers. It is widely used in automobiles, electric vehicles, ships, power systems, communication systems, fire safety systems, electronic power tools, emergency lights, and other fields. And Jiangxi Wang brand e-bike battery is reputed not only in China domestic, but also Southeast Asia and Bangladesh, etc. market for high quality with stronger and durable power. Science and technology are the primary productive forces. Dongjin Group possesses a scientific research and innovation team with technical expertise and strong technical research and development capabilities. At present, the group has more than 200 researchers and 106 research and development personnel, including 9 professors, 8 doctors, 16 master's degrees, and 29 senior engineers. Dongjin Group give full play to the advantages of enterprise technology innovation platform, strengthening independent research and development innovation, and actively explore new energy. We insist on quality first, honest innovation. Additionally, the process of purchasing raw material ensure that we can provide the best products and services to our customer from over 50 countries and regions. Establish a new starting point and create a new situation.
万里关山同德月，乘风破浪正当时。东晋集团愿与全国行业的同仁共同合作，携手共创事业新辉煌。
The brand of enterprise is the representative of company's abundant strength. It is the embodiment of management culture. In the global integrated market economy, the brand is the key to decide market and the root cause of the development of the foundation. High recognition based on the meaning of brand, as well as unremitting pursuit of brand value. The Dongjin Group begin a large-scale expansion to the whole world, is determined to create the best products in the Dongjin, creating international brand as the strategic policy to establish the double gold brand product in the enterprise. Facing new challenges, new development, and new opportunities. Dongjin, as China's largest, one of the most professional manufacturers of lead-acid battery, we will continue to adhere to quality first, integrity, innovation as the guideline, with excellent quality and first-class after-sales service to meet customer demand for the product quality continuously. Let the new energy be inexhaustible green energy into thousands of homes to create a beautiful green future for the sustainable development of mankind.